What's up, Warriors? How you guys doing? As you guys know, I'm still in a little vacay and a little getaway with my family, enjoying the time. And we're still grinding though. We're still making content. We're still making videos. We're still getting on calls, Zoom calls with my clients. They could message me, like I said, 24/7. Any questions they have, they could always message me. They know I got their back. And that's what we're here for, to help and teach others and actually have the answers ready. That's why people sign up on the programs to get the answers that they need so they could get the results they're after. So that's why, we get results here. That's why I have some crazy, amazing transformations on here, because there is no reason why you shouldn't get the results. I got a whole set of lineup of elite warriors coming through, chopped, with some amazing transformation, drastic transformation. And it just takes following the blueprint. It takes you being a student, being coach, listening to the blueprint and going after it, putting in the work. Like I said, you're going to get the results by default, by actually showing up, hitting the workouts and the meals, making it simple. So this video is about making stuff simple, man. A lot of people don't understand, they trying to add too much. They want to add extra workouts, see if the results are going to be quicker. Including my clients. And it takes a lot of coaching. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of, comprehending in their part that you need to be teachable. You need to be a student, and you need to follow the directions, follow the blueprint that your coach has given you. A coach is there to talk you of all the bad decisions you're going to start making, all the bad decisions you're going to try to make, because a lot of people, they go out there, do their own little research, or they'll hear, some type of different workout, some type of different diet or nutrition, whatever you want to call it. And all of a sudden you fall off the plan. All of a sudden you forget about that you have a plan, that you actually got a blueprint by your coach. So there's no need for you to trying to struggle or trying to find an easier way out. There is no easier way out. That's why you're here, for a reason, because you don't know what you're doing. You're impatient. You guess too much. And people, they still do it here, even though being on the program. And I always have to remind them that it's none of that. It's not about coming in here and telling me how to coach you. It's not coming in here and telling me, I heard this is better, or my friend told me this, or I read this. No, man. There is no such thing as coming in with your own, opinions on something that you don't know. You obviously, a lot of people, you gotta understand. Look in the mirror. You don't have the results to even talk or even speak about it. So, like I said, that's not your area of expertise. You gotta be humble enough to accept it. That's how you're gonna get ahead in life. Stop fighting. Stop trying to, be uncomfortable. You're gonna be uncomfortable. Change is uncomfortable. There is no way. Every time that you're trying to do something new, every time that you're trying to level yourself up, it's going to be a certain point where you're going to have, that feeling of being uncomfortable. You're going to have that, that feeling of quitting, that feeling of like, you understanding that, it's going to take time. Putting it in your head that, there is no rushing the process. Having that auto suggestion, knowing that, I've been neglecting my health for a lot of years. What makes you think that, you're going to get it overnight? And talking about, how these other team members of yours, which, like I said, here I have a platform where they could communicate with each other and talk to each other. And they're going to find out by themselves that, people, they're in different levels here, and they all fucking pay their dues. They all had to go through the same struggles that a lot of people are going when they first start their journey. So you got to understand, they're not any different. Nobody's, special. Nobody is gifted. Everybody has to go through a stage of uncomfortness, and they have to understand also that, there's a blueprint to follow. It's the blueprint that people want to deviate from. It's the blueprint that people, want to convince themselves that they will find an easier way, and it's not. So for all you guys that are asking me, what's a quicker way? if I eat this, will I lose weight quicker? If I exercise and I do this kind of workout, will I burn more fat quicker? All those, all those little things that you guys start thinking, and that might be that magic pill, or it might be that one hack that you need to get you there. Let me break it down to you, man. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna happen. That's why when people come in here, the first thing I tell them, you don't need no supplements. They hear about, creatine, they hear about, amino acids, they hear about, test boosters, and but they want to go and get a beginner pack, and it's none of that. So a lot of people could barely afford the program, let alone go and buy supplements that ain't gonna work for you, especially if you're not disciplined enough to understand that it's gonna be the nutrition, it's gonna be hitting your workouts in a structured manner. That's where it all starts. So you guys gotta understand that, get that through your head. All you guys that are asking me and DMing me, what's the best way, what's the fastest way to get a six-pack, what's the fastest way to build some muscle, what's the fast way to lose weight, what's the fast way to acquire the shape that you want, what's the time limit, or how long would it take me. There is no guessing here. I don't have a crystal ball, and I'm not going to tell you, or I'm not going to lie to you and give you a certain date if I don't even know what you're capable of doing. You could have the same motivation as this other person, and down the line you lose it. Something happens, you make an excuse, and all of a sudden you start deviating from the plan, where this other individual that came in, same motivation, he kept smashing, he kept grinding, he was being understanding that it wasn't going to be easy, but at least he has a plan to follow. So it's just in knowing that there's going to be obstacles, knowing that there are going to be challenges, but still pushes through. Well, that guy's going to get the results. Not the one that's going to have excuses, not the one that's going to come and ask too many questions to actually talk himself out of doing what he must do. So let's get that through your guys' head. Keep it simple. Make sure you just follow the nutrition, follow the workouts that must be done. You will get an amazing result, amazing physique. Everybody has an amazing physique under all that fat. Under that layers of fat, people have an amazing physique. Get it through your head that it's just going to take time, dedication, consistency, discipline. All together is what's going to create that better you. Let's run it.